Hello, good day everyone, and welcome to this another new video tutorial. So today we'll be dealing with installation of Docker inside the WSL, and not the way other way around, which is installing the Docker desktop and then installing the Ubuntu distro inside the Docker desktop. So that's not the correct way of installing the Docker, since it will take so much resources, especially in Windows. So we need to have it installed in WSL itself. So first we need to download the Linux kernel update package. So um, first is to verify if it's already been installed on your PC or laptop. So you will have to search it on the apps and features, and then search for Windows update or Windows subsystem for Linux. So it should be on W. So if you don't see anything, then you need to download this package. So for me, it's already been downloaded. So I just need to go to downloads and then WSL update. Then next, finish. Then after that, we should see some changes here. So you see that the Windows subsystem for Linux update is already been installed. And this is the version 5.10.16, and we should be able to also access it in command prompt. So we have WSL-L-V. So here it is. It says that it has no install distribution, so we need to WSL dash dash install dash D Ubuntu. We're going to install that one. It will take time. Okay, so now it's done installing it. So we're going to close this command prompt and we'll wait for this Ubuntu installation to be done, since this will set the username and password for your Ubuntu. So basically what happens to this one is that we install the Ubuntu directly with WSL. it's not using Docker desktop. So for this one, make sure to enter your username. So your desired username would be, for mine would be this one, and then your password. So make sure to do not forget your password. Since if you do forget your password, then um, you need to either change it if you're able to change it, or else you need to reinstall again. Okay, so now let's go to the second step, which is to set up the DNS for WSL. So let's go. We'll have this. I just need to bigger, and then I'll copy this one. Place. So we have sudo nano etc folder /wsl.config. It's basically the configuration file. Then we need to add this one, this line. So I'll just um, go make it here. This one, like that one. And then type it network and generate solve font is equals to host. Then control X, then big letter Y, then enter to save it. Then we need to run this command sudo update, and this will take time. Let me expand it. Then the other command, which is sudo update dash y, sudo update dash y. Okay, then we need to install the prerequisites for in order for us to succeed with the installation of the Docker. So I just need to copy this one and paste. So for your side, you just need to pause the video and take note of this command. So I'll give you like 5 seconds. So basically, the command is sudo apt install dash y apt hyphen transport hyphen https ca hyphen certificates curl software hyphen properties hyphen common space genop 2 genop g2 space pass jq space make, then enter. Okay, then next would be the adding the docker to app. So we need to copy this one. um, do not worry if there's some errors, since it's just removing the docker, and then we're going to install it here, this one. So I'll give you again another 5 seconds. So do up install. Okay,